Hello, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Well, I get this one a lot. I have a client with a noisy neighbor, a nosy neighbor who looks over the fence, through the fence, around the fence, and the clients have no privacy and they really want to just cover it all up. So a lot of times it's like this. There's a window that sees over the fence. The fence is kind of loose. They can look right through it into their yard. They can hear everything that happens, or worse, it's a completely open fence. They can see into their yard where the pool is, where their kids play, and they just want some coverage. So I always recommend my favorite big shrub for these circumstances, the Long Leaf Podocarpus. Podocarpus henkeli. Now, this has the longer leaves than the standard Podocarpus. Here's the standard columnar Podocarpus, which is also a good privacy shrub, but it's not as dense. Notice the leaves on this are only half the length of the leaves of the long leaf Podocarpus. So it doesn't become quite the dense hedge that this was. Now, in these situations where the client wants privacy right away, I recommend these. These are 24-inch box long leaf Podocarpus. And they are generally good for about 12 feet high by about 4 feet wide. They will eventually become 6 to 8 feet wide. They will grow into a very nice dense hedge like you see there and just give some really great coverage, and eventually will get about 12, maybe 15 feet tall. So they're really a great privacy hedge for tight little spaces. Longleaf Podocarpus. You can plant them in spaces as narrow as 3 feet. Just make sure that you have really good draining soil. That's really important. They really do not like heavy clay soils. They want to get some good draining soil. And, they'll give you some good privacy. If you have more time, then go with a smaller one, like a 15-gallon. But these are all 24-inch boxes that you see in this video. Well, a big thank you to Juan with Unique Landscaping. He did a great job with all of these little privacy issues. There's his contact information. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.